Hey everyone! So we're always hearing about probiotics, right? The yogurt, the supplements, the kombucha, all that stuff. But what if I told you that for most of us, that's only half the story? We're missing the single most important part of the entire equation. Well, today we are pulling back the curtain on a super simple, really powerful secret for your gut health. We're talking about the fertilizer that makes everything else actually work.
So let me just ask you this straight up. Are you feeding your good gut bacteria? Or are you just, planting them and hoping for the best? Because believe me, there is a huge difference. Getting this one thing right can literally change everything, from how you feel after a meal to your mood all day long.
Okay, so to make this super clear, let's use a simple analogy. I want you to think of your gut as a garden. Now, probiotics, all those good bacteria, they're the seeds you plant. Makes sense, right? But prebiotics? They're the high-octane, super premium fertilizer. Without that fertilizer, those seeds you're so carefully planting, well, they're just not going to grow. They can't thrive. You absolutely need both to grow a healthy, flourishing internal garden. All right, so let's get into what this secret fertilizer actually is. It's called a prebiotic, and I'm willing to bet it's the missing piece in your entire gut health strategy.
So what in the world is a prebiotic? Put simply, it's a very special type of plant fiber. And what makes it so special is that our bodies can't actually digest it. And that's not a mistake, that's the whole point. Its one job is to survive that long journey through your digestive system so it can become a delicious meal for all the good microbes waiting down in your colon.
And this is a really important distinction to make. See, not all fiber is the same. The kind of fiber we usually hear about, for helping with regularity, that's great. But prebiotic fiber, it has a much more specific mission. It's like a special forces unit on a delivery run straight to your microbiome.
Okay, this is where the story gets really, really cool. Let's actually follow this special fiber on its incredible journey through your body, and you'll see how it creates what you could honestly call gut magic.
So the whole thing starts when you eat something with prebiotic fiber. Because your stomach acid and all those digestive enzymes can't touch it, it sails right through your stomach and your small intestine completely unharmed. It's basically invincible. Its destination? The colon. And that's where all your good bacteria, like bifidobacteria, are just hanging out, waiting for dinner to arrive.
And when that fiber finally shows up, it is a party. The source material puts it perfectly, saying, the good bacteria throw a 5-star feast. I love that. They're literally feasting on this amazing food you just sent them.
Now this feast has a scientific name, fermentation. And it's basically this magical transformation where your gut bacteria chow down on the prebiotic fiber and, as a thank you, they produce these incredibly valuable byproducts for your body. This, right here, is where the real health benefits kick in.
And what are these magical byproducts? They're called short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs for short. There are 3 main ones you gotta know. First, acetate, which gives your whole body energy. Then there's propionate, which helps your liver keep your blood sugar in check. And then, butyrate. Oh man, butyrate is the rock star. It is the ultimate fuel for your colon cells, keeping that gut lining strong and healthy, and helping to prevent problems like leaky gut. It's a game changer.
And this is where we zoom out from just talking about digestion, because these amazing little SCFAs, they get into your bloodstream. This means that feeding your gut correctly isn't just about your gut, it literally upgrades your entire body. Think about it. A well-fed gut means a stronger immune system, since a huge chunk of it is right there in your gut. It means a sharper mind and a better mood, all thanks to that famous gut-brain connection. It can even lead to stronger bones, because a healthy gut gets way better at absorbing minerals like calcium. And it helps you manage cravings and blood sugar. It's a total system win.
Okay, that's the what and the why. So how do we actually do this? Let's get super practical with what I'm calling the Goldilocks plan for getting it just right. Not too little, and definitely not too much.
Now the best part is, you do not need expensive, fancy supplements. We're talking about everyday foods, things like garlic and onions. And here's a pro tip. They're most powerful when you eat them raw. Green, unripe bananas are another fantastic source. As they get yellow and ripe, that amazing fiber turns into sugar, so go for green. And then you have the heavy hitters, Jerusalem artichokes and chicory root, which are just packed with this stuff.
So what's the Goldilocks amount we're aiming for? You're gonna be surprised. The sweet spot is just 3 to 5 grams of prebiotic fiber a day. That's it. That tiny amount is enough to kick off all of those amazing benefits without going overboard.
But, and this is a big but, I have to give you a word of warning. More is not better here.
If you suddenly decide to eat, say, 15 grams all in one sitting, you are going to feel it, and not in a good way. We're talking major bloating and discomfort. The key here is to start slow and be steady.
So let's wrap all this up with a simple, easy action plan that you can use to start reaping these benefits. I mean, literally today. It's all about building a simple, consistent habit.
Here it is, your 4-step plan. Step 1, start small. I mean really small, like a few slices of raw onion on your salad or sandwich. Step 2, diversify. Try to mix up your sources, because different foods feed different types of good bacteria. Step 3, drink up. Fiber needs a lot of water to do its job and move through your system smoothly. And finally, step 4, be consistent. Your gut bacteria need to eat every single day, just like you do.
See? By shifting your focus to the fertilizer, not just the seeds, you can fundamentally change your health from the inside out. It's that powerful. So, the only question I have left for you is this: are you ready to become a master gardener of your gut?